NTR TV viewers, we are here on your screen again with the Turkish and Ottoman food program. Today, we are here with the recipe for Aşure. What is Aşure? What is the history of Aşure? How to make Aşure? We will answer your questions. Let's start to explain in order. What is Aşure? The food prepared by boiling legumes such as wheat, beans, chickpeas, apricots, figs, and dried nuts together is called Aşure. The practices formed around the cooking and distribution of this food in Muharram according to the Hijri calendar are called Aşure tradition. The name Aşure has passed into our language from the Arabic word Ashura. There is a lot of information about the events that are believed to take place in the month of Muharram, known as the month of Aşure in Turkey. The most widely known of these are the grounding of Noah's Ark, acceptance of the repentance of Prophet Adam, Prophet Abraham's salvation from fire. On the 10th day of Muharram, Aşure is commonly celebrated as the grandson of the Prophet Muhammad. It is held to commemorate Hussein's martyrdom in Karbala. The material, the date of making, and purpose of the Aşure vary according to regions. But in general, it is cooked by boiling pulses and dried nuts such as beans, chickpeas, apricots, walnuts, grapes, and figs for a long time, together with the hulled wheat. The prayer of the cooked Aşure is made. Since it is believed to be healing, it is first fed to the sick and children and then distributed to many people, starting from the immediate environment. The tradition of Aşure, which is known and still practiced almost everywhere in Anatolia, has been transformed into a festival today through various organizations organized by village associations. The story of Aşure from Prophet Noah to the present is mentioned in the Quran. The name Aşure is derived from the Arabic word Asher, which means 10. However, over the time, the word has been changed to Aşure in our society. Cooking Aşures gained even more importance after the Ottoman Empire. Prophet Noah, he is one of the prophets sent after the Prophet Idris. There were even volunteers distributing Aşure. He used to distribute Aşure to the poor. Muharram is the anniversary of many events that are important for our Islamic religion. Allah Almighty created the earth and sky in this month. Allah offered special favors to many of God's prophets on the day of Aşure, which is also in this month. In addition, many events that are important for our religion took place on the 10th day of Muharram. Aşure is the 10th and most precious day of the month. Allah Almighty accepted many prayers on this day. The 10th day of Muharram has been advantageous. Therefore, the fact that the day of Aşure is in the month of Muharram adds value to the value of this month. How is Aşure made? First, let's give the ingredients to the Aşure recipe. 3 cups of buckwheat, 1 cup of beans, 1 cup of chickpeas, 1 cup of raisins, 6 figs, 6 apricots, 6 cups of sugar, 3 single cloves boiled in a pot and poured water, cinnamon, walnut kernel. How is Aşure made? The preparation of Aşure varies from region to region in our country. Let us give you a recipe from Anatolia. Wheat, beans, and chickpeas are soaked separately the night before. After the wheat is thoroughly cooked, chickpeas and beans cooked separately are added and boiled for a while. Add sugar and washed grapes. Add finely chopped figs and apricots. After cooking for another 5 minutes, the cloves are added to the mixture. Cooked Aşure is taken into hot boils. It's garnished with walnuts and cinnamon. The ingredients in the Aşure made in almost every region of Turkey also vary from region to region. It is seen that ingredients such as broad beans, black-eyed peas, and corn are added, as well as pomegranate and sesame seeds. In some regions, Aşure is sweetened with molasses. Yes, dear NTR TV viewers, our Turkish and Ottoman food program has ended for now. See you in new flavors. Bye for now. Stay on NTR TV. Have a good time.